Today I am going to discuss the conversions assignment. See, normally the conversions are used to recollect the organic reactions. It is a revision work. So if you know the organic reactions, then only you are able to work out the conversions. See, I have given the 20 conversions. So many organic reactions are involved. If you sincerely work on conversions, it gives a lot of revision. You will get the confidence. See, let me work out one by one. See, for a given conversion, more than one routes are possible. More than one sequence of reactions are possible. In the conversion, what we do is, that is, a given reactant is converted into the product through the sequence of reactions. So, we have to plan the sequence of reactions to convert the reactants into the products. For that, you have to recollect you have to plan the reactions, sequence of reactions properly and convincingly. But see, for a given conversion, more than one the route also possible. See, the only one is correct, the all other proposed routes are wrong is not correct. But the route should be convincing. The possible reactions, convincing, economically viable paths. See, here is a first conversion here. The conversion list that is with you. See, the first one is benzene to tetrabromobenzene. 1, 2, 3, 5 tetrabromobenzene. See here, see, introducing the 4 bromine. See, Sarah, 4 bromines into the benzene ring is not easy. Now, with the available, by using the available reactions, we have to properly plan the conversion of the reactant into product. See here one thing, out of 4, 3 are maintaining the meta to each other. 1, 3, 5. If this is removed, 1, 3, 5 tribromobenzene, this is not taken into consideration for some time. For my understanding, for your understanding, this is not taken. See, bromines are, one bromine is maintaining the meta relation with the other bromine. Bromine is a OP directing group. It is not a meta directing group. So it is not, one bromine is introduced into the molecule, the second bromine goes to the ortho position or para position, not the meta position. So the understanding is difficult, how to introduce. But one thing, if you take the phenol or aniline, where the OH and NH2 groups are the strong ring activating groups, they introduce that is 3 bromine atoms at 2 ortho and para positions. And the bromine, 3 bromines will maintain the 1,3,5 relation. And 4th bromine we can introduce. So this is, we can plan this way. This is, treat with the concentrated HNO3, nitration is carried and H2SO4 around 60 degrees Celsius. So that is nitro group is introduced into the molecule. Nitrobenzene is formed. This reaction is carried around the 60 degrees. That you know reaction. Now, what you have to do is convert this into aniline. That is, instead of phenol, we are converting into the aniline. It is easy to convert into the aniline. That is, NO2 is reduced. Sn plus HCl is the best reducing agent. Aniline is formed. Now, aniline, NH2 is a strong ring activating group. If you treat with the bromine water, 3 bromines are introduced into the molecule. That is 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol is the aniline is formed. So 1, 3, 5. These 3 are introduced now. 3 are introduced here. Now, 4th bromine to be introduced between these two. 1, 3. We have a reaction through aromatic amino group. We can introduce the bromine atom, bromine, through diazonium salt mechanism, which is known as the Sandmeyer reaction. So this is treated with NaNO2 plus HCl, which is known as that is diazotization of aromatic primary amine, diazonium around 0 degrees Celsius. This is 2, 4, 6 tribromoaniline is formed. Thus, this 4, 6 tribromobenzene diazonium chloride. So this can be converted into this by treating with the HBr in the presence of cuprous bromide, which is known as the Sandmeyer reaction. So this is replaced with the bromine atom. Sandmeyer reaction is a free radical substitution reaction. We have seen the mechanism of the reaction. So this, suppose if you introduce the OH group into the molecule, that is, if this is the OH, these 3 are introduced, but through the OH group, introducing the 4th bromine atom is difficult. Therefore, nitration, nitrobenzene, reduction aniline, aniline to tribromoaniline. Through NH2 group of the aniline, we are introducing the 4th bromine. So, we are carrying the process. This is diazotization. This is Sandmeyer reaction. This is nothing. This is a reduction of the nitro group. And this is the nitration of the aromatic compound. First conversion. There is no other way to carry out this reaction. See now the second one is chlorobenzene 2. That is with you. Chlorobenzene 2. Orthonitrochlorobenzene. So exclusively only that product should form. That is required. See, it is easy. We can carry out the word nitration. Chloride is a ring deactivator, but it is a OP director. So that is if you carry out the nitration, nitro group will go to the ortho position, it can go to the para position. But exclusively only one product should form. If you use the classical reaction and only this is formed, that is 2 products are formed. How to introduce? That means these are the 2 available for the sites are available, ortho and para are available for the reaction. Now what we have to do is, and this is slowly lock this para position. That is, make the para position unavailable for the chemical reaction. How? Use chemical technique. For that, That is, to lock the group para position, you have to introduce a group. After the work is over, it to be removed again. So SO3H group is the easy to introduce into the aromatic ring and easy to remove. Just by treating with the steam, we can eliminate. This is sulfonic acid, concentrated H2SO4 heat. So para position, high temperature conditions. That is, this is for. Now it is locked up. Now carry out the nitration. Concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4. Now for the nitration, where the what NO2 plus is the attacking electrophile, there is only ortho position is ortho to the chlorine is available. So group is introduced at ortho position. Now remove this group. How? That is steam, superheated steam is used. That is desulfonation takes place. Easy to introduce the SO3H group, easy to introduce this one. In particularly in the aromatic reactions, to lock the para position, to make the para position unavailable for the chemical reaction, that is, it is there at para position, sulfonic acid group is introduced at para position through sulfonation process. This is the OP directing group. This is the procedure. Exclusively this is formed because the para position already occupied, it is not available for the reaction. So third thing is this is toluene to metabromotoluene. Toluene to metabromotoluene. Starting material is toluene. You have to start introduce the bromine. See, toluene, methyl group is a ring activator and OP director. So on toluene, if you carry out any electrophilic substitution reaction, that takes place at the ortho para positions, not at the meta position. So now how to carry out? So now you have to introducing bromine is very easy. But now conducting the reaction on the directly toluene, we cannot introduce the bromine at meta position. And that is bromine iron powder is this one. Now temporarily you convert this group into this is the concept. Temporarily OP directing group is converted into the meta director. After your work is over, again that group is converted into that's a methyl group. So what to do? It is easy to methyl. Already methyl group is present. Treat with the chlorine and light. Free radical substitution reaction, SR reactions, radical substitution reaction. Side chain. This is CCl3. Trichloromethyl. All the three groups are occupied. Hydrogens are replaced with the chlorine. Now CCl3 is a ring deactivator, very powerful ring deactivator. Now meta director, ring deactivators are the meta directors. Now and introduce the bromine or nitration also okay. The bromine. So it will become a little lengthy, but so concentrated HNO3, let me write. Heat. Nitro group is introduced at the meta position. Now this is treated with. So this is treated with Sn plus SCl. Or let me remove this. Easy, let us. Number of steps are increasing, considerably increasing. That is Br2 plus Fe powder. Electrophilic substitution reaction, meta position. Now this has to again convert into the methyl group. The halogens to be removed, lithium aluminum hydride, where the hydride ion is the attacking. SN reaction takes place on the carbon chlorine bond. This converting into this. So this is the route for the conversion of that is toluene into metabromotoluene. Temporarily you are converting into the metadirectic group. Again, there is a methyl can be attached, the ring can be converted into the metadirector by converting into the CCl3. Again, CCl3 can be converted into the, that is methyl group by treating with the, that is lithium aluminum hydride. Next one is, the fourth one is, check out, toluene 2. Acetophenone phenone. So normally the problem, there is no conceptual problem, but viability problem. See, this is the methyl is the ring activator. So ortho para positions, but here if you carry out the further electrophilic substitution, the possibility of the formation of the para product is more. Suppose if I treat this with the, this is benzene sulfonyl chloride, sorry, benzoyl chloride, acid chloride of benzoic acid, AlCl3. Now we are conducting the Friedel-Crafts acylation. See, the major product is due to ortho effects, the attacking group is bulky, C double bond O, benzene ring. This is the product, major product. So this, we need the ortho substitution product. So this is not the right route. So what to do? So first log the para position, then substitution. Substituent goes to the ortho position. So what happens? Now instead of this, this is the right route. Now concentrated H2SO4. Heat it. Sulfonation takes place. Paramethyl benzene sulfonic acid is formed. Toluene sulfonic acid. This is locked now. Ring activator, ring deactivator. So that is if the benzene ring contains the ring activator and ring deactivator, further reaction takes place according to the directions of the ring activator. So this is directing the next electrophile to the meta position. This is also directing the next electrophile. Both are directing. Therefore, now you carry out the, that is benzene, benzoyl chloride. Treat with the AlCl3, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now what happens? That is this is the SO3H group. So you know the procedure to remove the SO3H group. Just treat with the superheated steam, that is H2O in the form of steam. That is removed, and this. Both are same after removing this ortho. Both are maintaining the ortho relation. Benzophenone, orthomethyl benzophenone. That's the relation. The next one is the see, all these reactions are with us. Now by using those reactions, that is, we have to conveniently convert the reactant into the products. You have to choose properly. Now, fifth one is, this is the benzene. Starting material is benzene. That is fourth one, fifth one, benzene. This is converted into the chlorine. This is isopropyl. So we have introduced the three groups into the ring, and now we see. And what to do? There are two alkyl groups in the molecule. First, we can plan like this, or you can plan other way also. I will tell the why I have taken the water this route. This methyl group is introduced. Toluene is formed. No new reaction. It is we know that. Now introduce this group. So how to introduce? So you can use the CH3 isopropyl chloride, AlCl3, or you can use the CH3C double bond CH propene in the presence of H3PO4. That is, these two are the source for the isopropyl carbocation. Right? So now what happens? The reaction takes place at the para position. Why para position? Why not ortho position? Methyl also is a ortho para. Why reaction is not taking place? Because of ortho effects. So it is so bulky, methyl group is so bulky, the ortho effects are the repulsions between the group connected to the ring and approaching the electrophile. Size is, it has bulky size, can't go here. Therefore, ortho effects are dominating. Cannot. Now, this is the OP director, this is the OP director, that is now, among the two, methyl and this, and where further substitution should take place? Chlorine in the presence of iron powder. In the presence of the iron powder. Or AlCl3 or anything. Where to take place reaction? Ortho position. Ortho to which one? That is methyl. Why not isopropyl? No. See, these both are the ring activators. Their ring activating tendency is due to the hyperconjugation. The extent of the hyperconjugation depends on that is alpha hydrogens. So here there are three hydrogens. Here only one hydrogen. Among the alkyl groups, the methyl group is the strong the ring activator due to that is more hydrogens on the methyl. As the number of the hydrogens decreases on the benzyl carbon, that is ring activating tendency decreases. This is among compared to this is strong ring activator or this is a weak ring activator. Now further substitution should take place according to the permission of or directions of the methyl group, not this one. For methyl, ortho position and para position. Para is already locked, therefore it has to go to the ortho to the methyl, not the other place. This is Cl, this is CH, CH3, CH3. This is there is no other route for it. You may ask, and why? Here methyl is first introduced, then the isopropyl is there. Why not other way? First isopropyl. So logically nothing will happen, and this thing. But one thing, this has advantage. What? So these are participating in the electrophilic substitution there. Methyl is strong ring activator, than isopropyl. Therefore, benzene is converted into the toluene, reactivity is increased, further increased. More reactivity is increased. Benzene is converted into the isopropyl benzene, that is cumene. Then cumene is less reactive than the toluene. Therefore, strong ring activator is first introduced. Then moderate ring activator is afterwards introduced. Therefore, this is the case. And the sixth one is benzene. Starting material is benzene. Most of the reactions are on benzene. Deuterium methyl group. So how to introduce this para-deuterotoluene is the name of the compound. See, it is easy to introduce the methyl group. How to introduce see, there are 2-3 ways to introduce let us see. This can be converted into the toluene. I need not tell Friedel-Crafts alkylation, methyl chloride, AlCl3. The second thing is and here this hydrogen to be removed with it is not easy. The hydrogen to be removed with the deuterium. How? Let us see. And here treat with the concentrated H2SO4. Heat it. And sulfuration takes place. We know that the same old story. This can be removed by treating with the steam. Instead of the steam, if you treat with the D2O, if it is treated with the D2O, now this is replaced with the D. Therefore, what happens? This is methyl, this is D. So, this is one way. Or else, you treat with the bromine or chlorine in the presence of the iron powder. So, para-bromotoluene is formed. This is treated with the magnesium ether, refluxing, converting into the Grignard reagent, methyl. This is MgBr. Now, it is easy to. Now, this is the base part, nucleophile part. If it is treated with the water or acidified water, this is toluene carbanion is formed. This undergoes the decomposition and produces the active hydrogen. That is this can be any route that is can be used for conversion of this compound, preparation of this compound. It's a viable route, convincing route. The next thing is the seventh one. This is easy benzene 2. Again, starting material is benzene. Para-chlorophenyl, phenyl methane is the compound. See how to prepare. It is easy. See, convert into the methyl chloride, treat with the methyl chloride AlCl3. Toluene is formed. And now you treat with the chlorine in the presence of the light. Benzyl chloride is formed. Now treated with this is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now this is treated with the benzene again in the presence of AlCl3. On this, electrophilic substitution is taking place. This is providing the electrophile required for the reaction. Benzyl carbocation. It is attacking on this, giving the diphenyl methane. This is the diphenyl methane. Now, we have to introduce the chlorine at the para position. So, ring takes part in the electrophilic substitution reaction. If you treat with for electrophilic substitution, you have to take the chlorine in the presence of iron powder or AlCl3. So, that is on one of the ring at para position, chlorine is introduced. electrophilic acid reaction. So why? Why at para position? Why not ortho position? See, this is the bulky group. On this ring, this is the group present. These are the ortho positions, repulse ortho effects. This is the bulky group. These two are the ortho positions. So ortho effect. Ortho positions are almost prohibited places because of the bulkiness of the benzyl group. So parachloro. This is the right. The eighth one is little tricky. Benzene, eighth conversion to bromine. So metabrom. So one bromo, one metabromophenyl ethane. So whatever it is in the name. How to introduce this? So these two are maintaining the meta relation. So to introduce the meta relation, that is this group present in the molecule must be meta director. So we can plan this way. So just it is a planning how to carry out the. Now this is the acetophenone, that is CH3 C double bond acid chloride AlCl3 acetylation of benzene, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation electrophilic substitution reaction that is formed. Now this group is a ring deactivator. Now if we carry out the and treat with the best way is the treat with the consonant HNO3 plus H2SO4 heating. Nitro group is introduced at the para position. Now remove this group, or you can treat with the hydrazine N2H4 and alkali. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Convert into ethyl group. This is a nitro group. Now you treat with the, this is treated with the Sn plus SCN, that is nothing but that it is converted into the CH2 CH3. This is NH2, right? And this on treatment with the, that is NaNO2 plus HCl, corresponding diazonium salt is formed. So we are going to introduce the bromine in place of this diazonium chloride. This on heating with the HBr or just cuprous bromide is sufficient. Sandmeyer reaction, bromine is introduced at the, through the nitro group we are introducing the bromine, that is CH2 CH3. Operation is not completed, still we have to work out for the conversion. And now bromine to be introduced here. This to this, that is bromine in the presence, or you can take the best reagent is the NBS CCl4, N-bromosuccinamide. The speciality is it introduced the bromine at the benzylic position and allylic position. This is the benzylic position. So selective you can introduce. It is looking a little lengthy, but you may ask about one question. That is, instead of nitration, we can directly treat with the bromine in the presence of hydrochloride. This bromine is introduced here. No doubt. bromine can be introduced. Let me write here. So that is, instead of that route, we can use this route, iron powder. Electrophilic substitution, bromination, we are conducting them. Directly we are introducing the bromine. This. Now it can be reduced. 1. Hydrazine. Wolff-Kishner reduction in the presence of base, heating, that is converted to the carbonyl decarbonylation, CH3. This is చాలా comfortable. It's very, very comfortable. That is now treat with the NPS. Use your own NPS that is introduced at allylic place. Benzylic place. This is also. Here the steps are more, here the steps are less. But this is more viable route, this is less viable. See, whenever we are conducting a reaction on a particular molecule, where the many groups are present, and don't focus only on a particular reaction. When you are choosing the reagent, you have to see the effect of that reagent on the other part of the molecule, that is other groups connected to the molecule. See here, if you treat with the bromine in the presence of this is viable, easy process. But when it is treated with the bromine aldehydes and ketones containing the alpha hydrogen, when treated with the halogen, that is methyl group is halogenated. We have seen the haloform reaction, alpha halogenation. Here halogen atoms are introduced. This is interfering. So if no interference, then this route is the better route. Therefore, that is the more viable route, practically viable route. So this also we can write and no problem. See, for conversion, to decide the viability, many factors to be taken into consideration, including the cost, viability, yield, equilibrium constant, thermodynamic permissibility. That is many factors to be taken into consideration. So that is the reaction of reagent is available, reaction is available, everything is available. We conducted, the percentage of yield is only 1%. 1% of the reactant is converted to the product. So what is the use? So no use at all. If I take about 1 kg, if I get about 1 gram of the material, reaction is possible. That is the cost of the material. That is economics are not viable. So many things to be taken into consideration. So just with the available next one is known reactions. We are writing the benzyl iodide. This is the 9th one. See how to convert. It is looking very easy. Carbon, halogen. This is the, and treat with the, this is, I am writing the word scheme. Toluene, then convert into the benzyl chloride. See, what are the reagents available? Benzyl chloride is converted into, that is benzyl iodide. Chlorine is replaced with the iodine. So this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, methyl chloride, AlCl3, methyl group. It is treated with the chlorine in the presence of the light, SR reaction, in the SE reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, SR reaction, and that is side chain. This is treated with the sodium iodide in acetone. I clearly explained while discussing the alkyl halides, that is Finkelstein reaction, preparation of the haloalkane, halogenation of alkane, Finkelstein. The chlorine can be replaced with the iodine. Finkelstein reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is SN reaction. So this is a reaction. It's a convenient way of doing that. Or we can do the other way also. 1 minute. So let me take the this one and treat with the